everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically send quotation of advertising agency to clients on WhatsApp when they fill form on website. So let's take an example that you are the owner of an advertising agency and you are running a website online for the promotion of your business. You have already created an inquiry section in your website where you have an inquiry form for the customers. Now you want that whenever a customer fills that inquiry form from any source like website, social networking sites or personally, the advertising agency quotation should be shared to them on their WhatsApp number. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of the customers from the forms from your website, then compose a message in WhatsApp, attach the quotation of your advertising agency and send it to the customers. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes quite impossible when you have hundreds and thousands of customers in a single day. So how are you going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a customer fills the form on your website, automatically a message along with the quotation of your advertising agency will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. But here there is one problem, that there is no direct connection between Elementor forms that you have submitted on your website and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Elementor forms and WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this in few simple steps. Here we are using Elementor forms to collect the responses, but in place of Elementor forms, you can use any form building software application like JotForms, Pabbly Form Builder, Google Forms, etc. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my website page and this is the form which I have attached on my website where I asked for the name, email address, mobile number of the customer along with a message if you have a particular requirement. And this is the brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive, and this is the WhatsApp number of a customer. Now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form, automatically this brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So let us fill this form first. I'll just give the name as Adam Smith. I will give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let's give the mobile number over here. And let's give the message as please share the brochure. Okay. And now let's click on send brochure on my WhatsApp. The form was sent successfully. Okay. Now let us check the WhatsApp number of the customer, whether the customer has received a message or not. We'll go to WhatsApp and here we can see a message. Hello Adam Smith. Thank you for showing your interest in A to Z Advertising Agency. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our ad agency. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Website address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, A to Z Advertising Agency. Okay, now let us check this link also. And here we can find A to Z Advertising Agency brochure is shared with the customer. Okay. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled a form over here and automatically a WhatsApp message is sent to the customer along with the brochure of my ad agency. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So let me show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Elementor form with the help of webhook URL. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Connect is going to offer us a webhook URL. Using that webhook URL, we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Elementor form. Step 2. Collect the data from Elementor form and Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Elementor form. Step 3. Send the same data to 360 dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Elementor form, the same data will be used and a WhatsApp message will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Here we are using 360 dialog application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Elementor Form and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on Sign Up for Free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on Sign In. Here in the All Apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So here I have given the workflow name as Send Ad Agency Quotation on WhatsApp. You can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And now let's click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the inquiry form on the website, automatically your ad agency quotation should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in the trigger application, we are going to select the application name as Elementor Form. In the trigger event, we are going to select New Form Submission. Now here, we can see a webhook URL is displayed. We are going to simply copy this webhook URL from here. Now here, we can see that Pabbly Connect is waiting for the webhook response. For that, I'll just take you to my website page which I have already created. Okay, so this is a website page which I have already created using my WordPress account. Here, I'll just come to this form section. Here, in the left side, we can find Actions After Submit option. Just click on this. And here in the add action, we have to just click on this plus sign and we have to select webhook over here. Now as soon as we click on webhook, we can see a webhook is activated over here. Simply click on webhook and you have to paste the webhook URL here. The URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect from here. Okay. Now once the webhook URL is added over here, click on update. Now we can see that it is updated. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and still here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response just because there is no response in this webhook. For that we have to go to the form over here, the website form, and here I am just going to give the name as Shikha Arya, email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Let's give the mobile number over here. And we can give the message, please share the brochure. Okay. And now let's click on send brochure on my WhatsApp. And here we can see the form was sent successfully. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in the form. Shikha Arya, email address, mobile number, the message, form ID and form name. All the details of the form are captured over here. Now we want to send the WhatsApp message to this particular customer. For that we are going to come to this action window and here in the application we are going to select 360 dialog. In the action event, let us select send template message. Let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API Key button. For this, first we have to go to 360 dialog account and then from there we are going to go to WhatsApp account page. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts. And here we can find Generate API Key option. You have to click on Generate API Key and you have to generate the API key. Copy the API key, go to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Okay. Now domain, let us read the instructions once again. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. Example is given. We will simply copy this example and we will paste the example over here. Once our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here and then click on save. Now, one more important information, once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. Okay. So in my case also, I have already generated the API key and I have already created a connection. So I'll just click on choose existing connection and I'll click on save. And now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to give the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? Template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So as we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook. Once the template is approved, then only that particular template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll take you to my 360 dialog account. Here we can find the option manage templates. Click on this. Now here you can see that I have created several templates and got it approved from Facebook. If you want to create a new template, simply click on this plus button, add template. Here you can give the template name. You can select the category as per your choice. You can select the language. You can select the template type here and you can give the body text over here. Okay, whatever the text you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on preview and submit. Your template will be sent for the approval to Facebook, and once it is approved, you can use the same template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. I'll simply close this window and I'll open the template which I have already got it approved. That is send_brochure_final. This one. I'll open this template and here we can find hello. Then one number is given in curly braces. Then I have kept some more numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in curly braces. So why I have kept these numbers in curly braces? Because these are the body fields and the values of these body fields are going to change. That is why we have kept these in the curly braces. Let us read the template first. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your ad agency name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our. Then again you can give the agency over here. Then the link of the brochure or the quotation can be given over here. For more details, you can visit our website. Website address can be mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again your ad agency name is going to come. So we are going to select this template, send brochure final. Let's go to Pabbly Connect and here we are going to select the template, send brochure final. Now we can see namespace and language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now we have to give the recipient mobile number. The recipient will be the customer and the details which we have got from Elementor Forms. We have to map this mobile number now. Let us move down. And here we have to come to Elementor Form. And from here we are going to map this mobile number. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali. So in our template, body field 1, we require the name of the customer. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and here let us map the name, that is Shika Arya. Now body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. In our template, body field 2, thank you for showing your interest in. Here the name of your ad agency is going to come. Let us type the ad agency name. It is A to Z Advertising Agency. I'll just take you to the brochure, this one, A to Z Advertising Agency. So we are going to type this. Let's go to Pabbly Connect and here let us type A to Z Advertising Agency. Okay. Now body field 3, we have to give example is given software. In our template, meanwhile you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our ad agency. We can type ad agency here, ad agency. Okay. Now body field 4, a link is given. Here in our template also we have to give the link. So I have just pasted the brochure into my Google Drive over here. Here I'll just make a right click. I'll go to share option. Here I can find get link option. I'll simply copy this link. The link is copied to clipboard. I'll just go to my Pabbly Connect and here I will be pasting the link. Now body field 5, we have to give the website address. Example is also given. In our template also, we can see that we have to mention the address as the 5th parameter. So I'll just go to the advertising agency page. From here, I'll simply copy this address. I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I will be pasting the address over here. Okay. Now body field 6, example is again given, Pabbly. And here in our template also, thank you, regards, and here again the ad agency name is going to reflect. So again I'll simply copy this ad agency name from here and I will be typing it over here. Okay, A to Z advertising agency. Now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and now here we can see the responses received over here. Now let us check the WhatsApp account. WhatsApp number of the customer, whether he has received any message or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp and here we can see a new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z advertising agency. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our ad agency. Link is given, website address is mentioned. Okay, thank you, regards, ad advertising agency. Okay, so now here we can see first parameter, that is Shikha Arya. Second parameter we have given was this, A to Z advertising agency. Third parameter, ad agency. Fourth, we have given the link. Fifth, we have given the website address. And sixth parameter, we have given this name at the last. So in this way, we can see that all our parameters are working fine and the correct message is sent to the customer. Now let us check this link also. I'll just click on the link. And here we can see A to Z advertising agency brochure PDF file is shared with the customer. Okay. So now we'll just go back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So now we have seen that the correct message along with the link is shared to the customer. Now let us check this in the real time. For this again we will go to the website over here and let us fill this form once again. This time I'll just give the name as Sanjay Sharma. Let us give the email address as Sanjay Sharma 58@gmail.com. Let us give the mobile number over here. Let us give the message. Please send quotation. Okay, and now let's click on send brochure on my WhatsApp. Okay, the form was sent successfully. Now let's check WhatsApp whether the customer has received any message or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp and here we can see a new message. Hello Sanjay Sharma, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z advertising agency. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Okay, so the same message is sent to Sanjay also. Here I have given the same mobile number just to check whether our integration is working fine or not. Here let us again click on the link and check what is there in this link. And yes, we can see A to Z advertising agency brochure is shared with the customer once again. Okay, so in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the form on your website, your ad agency quotation form, automatically your ad agency quotation should be sent on the WhatsApp number along with the message to the customer. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Elementor form and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.